Hi friends. Today let me discuss a very important remedy. I've used this in this pandemic of corona in my practice and I found very good results. The remedy which I'm talking about is Eupatorium perfolatum. Of course, most of you must have used this in your practice and you do know some symptoms of Eupatorium perfolatum. So I'll discuss only those symptoms which I have seen in my practice and I've got results. You always remember that Eupatorium puff, that break bone fever, that the fever is there and there is a lot of pain in the bones. That is definitely there. But some symptoms I would like to share which I have got in my practice, and that is about cough. In Eupatorium perfolatum, the cough is better by bending. Now, very important. The patient comes in your chamber, is coughing, and is bending. Especially cough better or emulated by bending forwards, you have to think about Eupatorium perfolatum. You have to think about Spongia tosta, think about Calicarp, and think about Stellum metallicum. These are a very important symptom, and I would like to add one remedy where the cough is better by bending forward, and the cough is very violent cough, and that is Alzheimer's also. So whenever this type of symptom comes in front of you, do think about Eupatorium perfolatum and these remedies which I have told you. Very important. Second, in Eupatorium perfolatum, the cough is dry before intermittent fever. So the patient comes and tell you, sir, today I have got a fever and chills. You ask him what was इसके पहले क्या हुआ था, तो बोलेंगे सर मेरे को 2 दिन पहले बहुत सूखी खांसी थी. 2 days before I had lot of dry cough. So that is better. वो ठीक हो गया, but आज मुझे बुखार आ गया. My dear friends, you have to think about 3 remedies: Eupatorium perfolatum, Rus toxicodendron, and tuberculinum. Very important indication. That is cough dry before intermittent fever. This I have seen in my practice. And the cough is the modality of Eupatorium perfolatum is so important. Now in Eupatorium perfolatum, it is written in the mathematica that the cough is better by hands getting on hands and knees amelioration. Getting on hands and knees amelioration. And if you get this type of symptom, it is a classic case of Eupatorium perfolatum. So this is what is something about the cough and the modalities. Of course, it is also written that the cough is kneeling with face towards pillow, means the patient का face pillow पर रहेगा and he feels better. So these modalities are very important seen in Eupatorium perfolatum. Or you can say the cough in Eupatorium perfolatum is better by resting. Cough is better by resting. So if the cough is better by resting, don't always think about bryonia because it is not there. Slightest motion aggravates cough is a different symptom of bryonia. In Eupatorium perf, the cough is ameliorated by resting. Eupatorium perfolatum, very important, Nicolum and Sorinum. But in Eupatorium perfolatum, I have seen that in my practice and have got good results. Now the expectoration. Expectoration profuse while vomiting. पेशेंट कहना डॉक्टर साहब इतनी खांसी आती है पूरा अंदर से कफ बाहर निकल जाता है. So there is so much the vomiting is there, and with vomiting all the cough comes out, and that is Eupatorium perfolatum. This is a very important symptom of Eupatorium perfolatum. You must always see this type of symptoms. Next, we see something about the fever. Of course, there is a lot of chills before fever and there is a lot of bone pains during fever. But what symptoms you have to see in Eupatorium perfolatum, you can add in your mathematica. That is the in fever, paroxysm increasing in severity. Every time the paroxysm comes, it is increasing in severity. So you have to remember Eupatorium perfolatum. You have to remember pulsatilla, bryonia, and natrium. Of course, Sorinum is also there, but Eupatorium perf is also there. Now the shivering part of Eupatorium perfolatum. Shivering, drinking from. Whenever the patient drinks water, or maybe water or anything, shivering from drinking, you have to think about Eupatorium perfolatum. Do compare this remedy with Nux vomica and capsicum. These two remedies also have the same type of symptom: shivering, drinking from. Or you can go one step ahead and see shivering, drinking from cold water. In today's, because it is so much heat in Nagpur, you drink cold water and the fever starts. So fever, shivering during from cold water. Think about Euphorin perfolatum, think about Nux vomica, belladonna, and capsicum. So this is regarding about the fever. Now, what does the patient desire in Euphorin perf during chill? Warm. The patient desires warm during chill. Very, very important. You have to think about Euphorin perfolatum, second arsenic album, and third again a very, very important remedy, that is citron. Of course, in citron, the clock-like periodicity is very important in citron. And if there is no chill during fever, what does a Euphorin perfolatum patient desire? He desires same, that is warm drinks. With this, you compare Euphorin perfolatum with lycopodium, with sabardilla, and with chelidonium. So this I have added with fever what the patient desires, and with chill what the patient desires. Of course, he desires warm food, but the remedies may be different. Now the weakness part. In a Euphorin perfolatum, the weakness is very, very marked, and it is called that it is written in a mater medica, that is weakness, there is prostration during fever. Either it is bilious fever or it is a from remittent fever also, and from bilious fever there is lot of weakness. There is also weakness after a profuse urination. The patient passes lot of urine and the patient becomes weak. That is also Euphorin perfolatum. One symptom I would like to add, that is there is weakness, or you can say prostration from vomiting. Now this is also very important, from vomiting. Now the periodicity of Euphorin perfolatum. In Euphorin perfolatum, every third day fever. So every third day fever, Euphorin perfolatum, Chinum sulph, Calibrome, and Lycopodium. Also, you can have fever every fourth day also. Every fourth day fever also, you can have Euphorin perfolatum, arsenic album, Calibrome, Pulsatilla, and Lycopodium. So this is in general basically what I have seen in my practice, and basically in this corona pandemic, these symptoms I have seen, and I have prescribed Euphorin perfolatum with very good results. Before ending this video, I'll add one more symptom, that in Euphorin perfolatum there is vomiting of bile which ameliorates. The bile comes out and the patient feels better. So think about, of course, you have to think about Euphorin perfolatum, and a very, very important remedy, that is cardusma and sanguinaria. So my friend, this is in short something about the cough part, the fever part, the expectoration, the cough part, the fever part, and in generalized weakness part of Euphorin perfolatum. See this in your patient and you will get very nice results. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.